Welcome to Guildford. We're here to do an experiment to see if you can get healthier, perhaps lose a bit of weight, not by changing what you eat, but when you eat. But first, over to Surgeon Gabriel Weston, who has a very surprising proposition.
Diet products promise all the sweetness with none of the sugar.
A win-win situation for those of us with a passion for the sweeter things in life. But could low-calorie food and drink actually be making us fatter and increasing our risk of diabetes?
When we want to be healthier, many of us seek out low-sugar products. But all of these contain artificial sweeteners instead, and there's the potential problem.
There's some new research that suggests that artificial sweeteners could be making us less healthy by interfering with the way that our bodies process sugar. So we want to put them to the test. Are sweeteners actually bad for us?
To find out, we're going to give this group of volunteers artificial sweeteners for 1 week. Before they begin, we're measuring their blood sugar levels. We'll do the same at the end to see if there's a change. High blood sugar can cause health problems like diabetes, and many people take sweeteners instead of sugar to try and avoid these. As Dr. James Brown of Aston University explains.
A high blood sugar level can be quite dangerous. It can cause damage to tissues in the body like the eye, like the kidney, like blood vessels. And this is why it's really important that the body maintains blood sugar levels in a very narrow band.
So where do the artificial sweeteners fit into this?
Artificial sweeteners are interesting because people tend to consume them instead of sugar in the belief that they won't cause an increase in their blood sugar levels.
I would imagine that people take artificial sweeteners almost thinking that having an artificial sweetener is like not having anything at all.
I think that's the general consensus, is that it's a replacement for sugar which is inert. It doesn't do anything to the body.
But is that the case? Our volunteers don't normally take sweeteners, so our tests over the next week will show whether these substances affect their blood sugar levels. There are several artificial sweeteners on the market, and we're going to test 2 very different ones.
50% of our volunteers will get this benzoic sulfamide, known on the street as saccharin. Now, we've been using this as a sugar substitute for over 100